Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your PIN number on the Chime app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and reset your PIN number. Maybe someone has found it out or maybe you've been exposed. How do you actually go ahead about resetting your PIN number? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first let's log on to the Chime app. Then on the bottom right hand corner, click on Profile. Then from here, go ahead and click on Cards, Manage Virtual and Physical Cards. Now you're going to see an option here to actually go ahead and reset your PIN number. Go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to be able to create a PIN number right over here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reset your PIN number on the Chime app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.